Welcome back to Tutorial Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix GTA 5 online not working and how to fix this up for the PC users and how to fix this up. So the first step is you just have to check your internet connection. You just have to check your internet connection. So make sure that you're connected to a good internet connections and you're having enough amount of Wi-Fi or something in between. So you just have to make sure you're having a good internet connection is the first step. And if it's after that, if it's still having any kind of trouble, you're having good internet connection and you're having any kind of issues, the next step is all about you just have to go for check the official the site. You just have to check for the servers. You just have to go to the Rockstar official server status and you just have to check for the game, and if there is any kind of issues are going on, if they are going through any kind of maintenance, because that will be the issue which is causing you up. So you just have to check in the official site like Down Detector. You just have to check for the GTA. As you can see, there is no issue in the last hours, so you just have to check for it. So there is a server issue right now going for, which is GTA 5 update report in the last 2 hours. As you can see that there is a little break. So this is the second step with you, what you have to do from your side. And moving on to the next one is sometimes to do some kind of background task can cause issue. So you just have to go to task manager and you just have to see whether any kind of big things are going on between, like for example I have just opened Epic Games Launcher. So if in between, and for some cases, just using Epic Games Launcher as well as Steam and more things can drain out your CPU, so you just have to delete it. Select the respective one, go for end task, and most probably this will help you to fix the issue up. And apart from that, if you're asking me and this solution, I would like to say that you just have to reset your Wi-Fi router. You're having enough amount of Wi-Fi and still you can't be connected. Even the servers are good enough and you just have cleaned your task manager and still you're having the issue. Just reset your power router and most probably that will help you to fix the issue up, because that can be a bug which is causing the issue up. And the last one which I would like to make you to notice is that you just have to restart your PC and most probably that will help you to fix the issue up. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.